What's up, everybody? Ryan here with Trade Travel Invest. It is about 6 a.m. my time, 8 a.m. Eastern time. It's March 30th. We're going to go ahead and get started for this morning and see what kind of setups we have. First thing we want to always do is go over to forexfactory.com and just check if there's any major news going on during the time that we're trading. It doesn't look like there's anything going on during the time that we're going to be trading because we still have quite a while before there's this orange folder news later today at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Sorry, 8 a.m. my time, Mountain Standard Time. So we still got a little while before that news hits, so we should be good to go, and we'll probably be done trading by then. Everyone want to hurry up and pull up Euro US dollar. It looks like we have a potential setup coming up right now. Our 1 minute chart is dropping on Euro US dollar, pretty significant drop. Our 5 minute is also resisting off of that middle band and dropping to the downside. And our 5 second chart is currently at the middle band. So let's go ahead and place 1 30-second put right now on Euro US dollar. So I just placed my 1 30-second put on Euro US dollar. This is our first trade for the morning. And we just dropped in a profit on this one. We got an 86% payout on this trade here. But I got my entry right at the middle band, hoping I'm going to see some resistance off of that middle band, and we'll continue to see this drop to the downside. So there we go. We got just enough drop for us to clear this trade. Put a 1 in the chat. If you guys were able to clear that one with me, let me know. It looks like we're kind of consolidating on this pair at the moment on the 5 second chart, so I probably won't take anything else. It looks like it's consolidating because it's hitting that middle band on the 1 minute chart, so we're seeing a little resistance there. So if you lost that first one, then just go ahead and do 2 on the next one here. But it looks like we're getting a breakthrough of my middle band on the 5 second chart to the upside now. Our 1 minute chart is resisting the middle band right now, so it looks like we're about to go up. So let's have Euro US dollar ready. We're going to look for 1 30-second put, 1 30-second call off of this. So our green arrow. So have your 30-second expiration ready on Euro US dollar. I'm going to wait for a small drop, and then I'm going to get my right here 30-second call right now. So if you guys lost the last one, I would recommend doing 2 on this one. So there's our spike into profit. Beautiful move. We got an awesome entry on that one. Couldn't have got any better of an entry on that. Perfect resistance off of our middle band and a beautiful spike into profit. So that puts us at, once this one closes, it'll put us at 2 wins, no losses. All right. Or sorry, 3 wins actually, right? No, 2. Yeah, just 2. So we got, because I did some trades before the session too, so I gotta remember where we started, which is right here on Euro US dollar at the 86% payout ones. So we got 2 wins, no losses at the moment. We're seeing a nice breakout to the upside on our 5 second chart. Same thing on the 1 minute. Nice breakout to the upside. And our 5 minute is also breaking through that middle band and pushing to the upside as well. So it looks like we're going to see some calls on this one. So let's have our 30-second expiration ready. We're just going to be looking for 1 entry. We'll be looking for 1 30-second call if it drops down a little bit. So let's just be patient and see if we get a small drop, and then we'll get our entry in for a 30-second call to ride this wave up. So it's starting to slow down a little bit, so we're probably going to be due for a small drop soon. And that's what we can get our entry in. If anybody has any questions throughout the session, just feel free to ask. No questions are bad questions. So we're just kind of consolidating at the moment. Still on a nice push on my 1 minute, 5 minute. Only thing that concerns me is the 5 minute. We've had 3 different wicks hit this zone and then drop off of there, so it looks like we might see a sell from here. So let's just be patient here and see what we get. 1 minute still looks like we got plenty of room to go up. 5 minute on the other hand, we got a couple seconds left in this candle before the next one forms. So let's see what the next one looks like here. So it looks like we got a nice bar to the upside here. overall, it's still kind of consolidating at the moment. So probably move on to a different pair. Well, let's see. We might be able to get a call on. Yeah, I think we can get one 30-second call in before we do. So let's go ahead and do one 30-second call right now on Euro US dollar. I got in right before that spike. So I got in right before that move to the upside. We instantly pushed into profit. I got in right below my middle Bollinger Band here, hoping that we're going to see that resistance and push to the upside here. So we're currently floating in profit. So on our right side panel, we have our open trades at a $20 risk, and it's going to be a $36.40 payout. So drop one in the chat if you guys cleared this trade with me. Let me know. Hopefully you guys got that same entry point as I did, because it kind of consolidated a little bit. But it looks like, for the most part, we're seeing consolidation on this pair, meaning that price is moving sideways. So we're going to go ahead and move on to a different pair. So Alita, if you lost that last one, I would recommend doing 2 entries on the next trade. Whatever trade setup we do find, I would recommend doing 2 on it. All right, so odd CHF looks like overall we're on a downtrend, but on our 5-minute chart, like our 5-minute chart overall is on a downtrend, but we're starting to make the pull up toward my middle band right now for that little exhaustion cycle. Our 1-minute chart also looks like it's going to be a call because we're above the middle band as well, and we're making that push to the upside. We have our 5-second chart, on the other hand, that, all right, actually, let's go 30-second put right now. 30-second put, the red arrow. So I just placed one 30-second put on odd CHF. The reason why I did that was because we had this break through the middle band to the downside, pulled back up to my middle band, and then we have the doji candle that formed right on the middle band. So I'm hoping that we're seeing resistance off this middle band and we'll drop to the downside. So I only did 1 entry because we're already in profit. We want to go slow and steady and just gain the brokerage profits as we go. So hopefully we can get this little drop. So not quite. It looks like we had a little move to the upside on this one. Yeah, our 1-minute chart made a push up. 5 minutes still pushing up. So yeah, let's get ready for 2 calls next. So since that 1 put lost, I'm gonna go 2 calls right now. So I just placed 2 30-second calls on odd CHF. I got in right below my middle band here. And the reason why we did that is because we had this breakout above the middle band. And we also see that the 1-minute and 5-minute are both making a push to the upside. So if the 1-minute and 5-minute are both pushing to the upside, we'll go with that and see if we can get this call here. So we're currently just barely below our entry. We need one more little push up. There we go. So we just spiked into profit. We got a $76 payout, closing out right now, just in time. Drop 1 in the chat if you guys cleared this one with me as well. So that puts us at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins and 1 loss. All right, so let's see what else we got. 5 minutes looking like we still got room to go up. Our 1-minute chart, on the other hand, is looking like we're starting to see resistance. Our stochastic is crossing right now, and we're starting to get doji candles, seeing resistance at this upper band here. So it looks like we're probably going to get a drop very soon here. Our 5-second chart also is looking like it's making that drop soon. So let's have our 30-second expiration ready on odd CHF. I'm going to go ahead and enter one right now, 30-second put. So I just entered one 30-second put. I got in like right at the middle band, right above the middle band there. Hopefully we'll get this drop to the downside here. So we're starting to see that resistance. Let's see if we get this little drop. There we go. So we just dropped in a profit. Let's see if we can clear this one here. So we're kind of teetering in and out, but it looks like we had a nice little drop here at the last couple seconds. Drop 1 in the chat if you guys cleared that one with me. Nice, another win in the bag. So that puts us at 6 wins and 1 loss. All right, lots of 1s in the chat. Everyone's blowing up with 1s. Love it, love it. Let's go ahead and place another 30-second put right now on odd CHF. So I just placed another 30-second put on odd CHF. I got in right above my middle band, and then we instantly just dumped in a profit again. And we got in at a 90% payout on this one as well, so can't beat that. Teresa, what did you mean? I'm cleaning my trades, or you're clearing your trades? You're saying, and you're just listening and trading? Is that what you're saying? Gotcha. Nice. Well, I'm glad to hear that. Let's keep on getting it. Let's get ready. We're gonna go another put right now, 30-second put on odd CHF. So I just got my entry in right below the middle band. We had a small push above it, but see if we can get this drop to the downside. So we're starting to see a little bit of resistance. See if we get this drop here. Nope, not quite. So let's move on to a different pair probably because we're seeing a ton of doji candles on this currency pair here. On our 1 minute chart, it's looking a little sporadic at the moment. Lots of doji candles in a row. It's basically consolidating. So let's see what other setups we got. Yeah, CHF, JPY looking like we're making a break to the downside. So it looks like we're going to see some sells. 1 minute chart also making a break to the downside. And 5 second chart, we're currently at the middle band. Let's go ahead and place it 2 30-second puts right now. Since I lost the last one, I did 2 on this one. So I got 2 30-second puts total on CHF, JPY here at the middle band. Hopefully we get this drop to the downside here. So it looks like we're getting a small pull up on our 5 second chart. Our 1 minute gave us a little doji. 5 minute is still testing that band. So it looks like we lost those right there, but let's see what we got going on here on our 5 minute chart. 5 minute retracted up a little bit, but I think we still have room to keep going down. 5 second chart, on the other hand, looks like we're going on an uptrend. And our 1 minute gave us a doji candle. Looks like we're about to push upwards as well. So yeah, I'm going to look for 30-second calls next. Since I lost the last 3, I'm going to go ahead and do 4 right now, 30-second calls. So I just got my 30-second calls in on CHF, JPY. I got in right at the middle band, and then we're starting to push some profit right now. So we have a $190 payout coming on this one. See this keep on pushing to the upside here. So I ended up getting 5 entries in total on this one, which is a $190 payout in order to cover my previous 3 losses. So drop 1 in the chat if you guys just cleared all of these and covered your previous couple losses. Let me know. And hopefully you guys are following along with that money management and we're able to cover your previous couple losses that we had taken. So that puts us at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 wins and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're 12 and 4 at the moment. We could use 2 more wins. And then we'll be all right, get ready. We have a potential setup coming up again. But it looks like everybody's killing it. I'm seeing lots of 1s in the chat. All right, CHF, JPY looking like we're resisting off of this middle band now. We're probably going to make a push to the upside pretty soon based on how it's not breaking through really. We have a minute 20 left in this candle, and this is a 5 minute candle. So that means for about 4 minutes it's been just chilling right here. So that to me shows that we're seeing some resistance and we're probably going to see a move to the upside. Our 1 minute chart is also trying to make that move to the upside right now. And our 5 second chart is also trying to make that move to the upside as well. So let's have CHF, JPY ready. Let's have our 30-second expiration ready. And if it drops down to my middle band, I'm going to go ahead and take 1 30-second call. 1 30-second call. So I'm going to go ahead and enter 1 right now, 30-second call. So that I got in right at the middle band on this one. And hopefully we'll get this break to the upside here. That it's been kind of on an uptrend, so. I'm going to go ahead and enter 1 more 30-second call right now. I tried to enter right before that little move to the upside, but let's see, did we get the top one? I tied the top one. So I tied my first original entry, and I got 1 more entry open right now that's kind of teetering in and out of profit. All right, perfect. Got a nice push in the profit. So the last one tied, and then this one right here, as long as this one wins, then we still won this trade. Come on, stay up, stay up. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Did we get it? Did we get it? Yep, we got it. Drop 1 in the chat if you guys cleared that one. That was really close. But I was actually able to clear that one and tie the last one, so there was no loss, and we actually ended up winning a trade there. So we only need one more trade to hit our goal. So if you guys lost that one, then the next one I would just recommend just doubling up and just doing 2. It was pretty close. It was kind of teetering in and out the whole time. Well, let's move on to a different pair, see what else we got. Oh, this looks beautiful on the one minute chart. Euro CHF. Everyone want to pull up Euro CHF. We're above the middle band on our 5-minute chart. So it looks like we're going to be going up. Our 1 minute chart gave us a beautiful doji candle rejecting off of this middle band and pushing to the upside. So we can go to our 5-second chart. Yeah, let's hurry up and pull this up on Euro CHF. We're about to have a 30-second call off of this middle band. So let's be ready on Euro CHF. All right, 30-second call right now. And I'm going to go ahead and enter one more right now. So I got 2 entries total because one of them was a little bit better of an entry point right below the middle band, and then one of them I got right above the middle band. So I need one more win in order to hit my profit goal. So hopefully we can clear both of these, and then we'll be done for the morning. Beautiful. All right, beautiful spike into profit. There's a $76 payout coming right here, and we just straight up killed the session. So drop some ones in the chat if you guys made some profits with me this morning. We literally just killed that session in 15 minutes, and we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we did 15 wins and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did 15 wins and only 4 losses on today's session. Plus I did some trades before that, so I'm way up in profit at the moment. Let's see, we're up $480 at the moment in about 17 minutes. Not bad. So yeah, let me know. Did you guys all everybody's in profit right now? I'm seeing everyone's looking excited in the chat here. Teresa killed it. Nice job. Shannon made $1. Teresa made 14 wins and 3 losses. Alita made, is that 4 wins? Is that what you're saying, Alita? Is that what the 4 is for? Lisa's in profit. Daryl's in profit. Sam did 10 wins and only 2 losses. Carlita's in some light profits as well. About 10% of her account. Nice. Well, Cern's in profit as well. So awesome session, guys. We had a good session last night as well. So we'll call it on this note. Looks like everybody's in profit, and I'm pretty happy about that. So everybody enjoy them profits, and don't get too carried away with over trading. That's one important thing I can say about binary trading, is that once you hit your goal, make sure you just step out of the markets and close that laptop or whatever. But don't let greed take your profits away, you know. So we got Daryl with 7 wins and 3 losses. All right, looks like everybody's killed it this morning. It was an awesome session, and we did just about $500 in 15 minutes. Actually, just over. So I just updated. So actually, it's $534 profit I made this morning. So pretty solid session. We'll get back to it again tonight. Have some more wins later, and gain some more profits later. But other than that, reach out to me on Discord with any questions that you guys may have. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys do have. Like I always say, no questions are bad questions. The people that ask questions are usually the people that actually want it and are going to actually make progress. So just make sure you guys are asking those questions and setting up meetings as needed, because obviously I can't help you guys if I don't know what you're struggling with. So just reach out to me with any things that you are struggling with, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Other than that, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you guys tonight for some more profits.